Hello everybody and welcome back to the Canary Islands vlog here in La Gomera. This is episode 5 of the vlog, and today we are starting the first vlog for the full day in La Gomera. So yesterday I of course took a little day off, and what I did then was that we basically went to the beach and I read a book which was actually really good. If you're interested, it's actually this one. It's a pretty good book, which is also going to be featured as a movie pretty soon. It's called Ready Player One, and it's just dope. But anyway, so right now we have planned to go to the ancient forest here in La Gomera. So it's basically about the only thing you can see here, which is in the national park in the middle of the island. And yeah, so that is the plan, and right now we're going to just get everything ready, and I'm going to probably edit the last vlog, and then when that's all done we will head on our way. We have now stopped at the first place in this wonderful forest, and it's amazing how this can exist here. It's really big actually, and it's really thick. So we're going to go on this path now for a bit and get some awesome footage probably. We're now on the way back and going to eat some lunch at a nearby restaurant, which is going to be completely vegetarian at least, and it's going to be pretty nice, I think. The road though is really curvy, so I'm quite dizzy after that road trip, but positive news at least, we're going to eat lunch soon. here now at a restaurant pretty close by to our apartment. Sorry that I didn't record any footage before this point, but to be perfectly honest with you, I forgot that I was making a vlog today. But yeah, so the food hasn't come in yet. We're still eating bread, but soon it will come, probably. We've now eaten dinner and it was pretty good. I was not so hungry this dinner, so I actually didn't finish it all, but it was really delicious. And now we're going back to the apartment and yeah, we're just gonna chill and then go to sleep. So I'm probably going to end this vlog off here. So if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe for more content in the future. But anyway, my name is Oliver Lebert, and I wish you a very good day. Thank you.